Today, I'm thrilled to unveil a game-changing business opportunity that is sure to ignite your passion for creating passive income streams. Get ready to dive into a world of endless possibilities with a simple storybook for kids that has generated over $100,000 in passive income already. So sit back, buckle up, and let's take a journey into the exciting world of children's literature that will change the way you think about making money forever. In this video, I'll show you how to launch a similar business by using the power of AI technology. From generating the book idea, the main content, and high-quality illustrations, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So I actually stumbled upon this idea while scrolling on Amazon in search of passive income opportunities for my business. And that's when I came across this product, a storybook for kids. And I was shocked by the numbers. These sellers were making thousands of dollars by selling simple storybooks like this. For example, this book has received over 800 ratings, and with the price of $18.99, the seller has already made over $15,000 from this one book alone. And that's when I realized, why not create a similar book using the advanced language model ChatGPT and Midjourney and publish it on Amazon to generate some passive income. I decided to make this video to help as many people as possible to launch their own storybook business. So starting with step 1 is generating the book idea. Generating a book idea is one of the most important and creative steps in launching a storybook business. When it comes to kids' storybooks, it's important to think of an idea that will captivate the imagination of young readers. To get started, consider what kind of stories kids love to hear and what kind of adventures they dream of going on. For example, stories about friendship, bravery, discovery are all popular among kids. So here's how you do it. Open ChatGPT and introduce yourself to the AI language model. Explain that you're looking for assistance in generating a title for your children's storybook. Provide some basic information about your book, such as genre, age, group, themes, and a general overview of the story. For example, you could say, I'm writing a children's adventure book about two friends who embark on a journey to find a lost treasure. It's aimed at kids aged 8 to 12 and has themes of friendship, discovery, and bravery. Can you help me come up with a title that captures the essence of the story? ChatGPT will then generate a list of potential titles based on the information you provided. Review the list of titles and select the ones that appeal to you or use them as an inspiration to create your own unique title. And if you're not satisfied with the generated titles, you can refine your book's description and request ChatGPT to generate a new list of titles. It's important to keep in mind that ChatGPT's generated titles are only suggestions, and you have the flexibility to modify and adjust them to fit your preferences and vision for your storybook. By using this feature, you can leverage the power of AI to generate a title that essence of your book and resonates with your target audience. To further develop the story idea, you can also ask ChatGPT to generate the summary and the main characters. This will help you have a clear understanding of the story you want to tell and will also give you a solid foundation to build upon. Step 2 is creating the story outline. In creating the story outline, it's important to have a clear structure of how the story will unfold. This will help you stay focused and avoid getting lost in the details. To create the outline, you'll want to start by defining the main plot points, the character arcs, and the themes of your story. You can also use ChatGPT to do that for you. Yes, ChatGPT can help you define the main plot points, character arcs, and themes of your story. So here's how you do it. Start by providing ChatGPT with a brief summary of your story idea. This can be a 1 or 2 sentence description of the story's main plot, characters, and themes. Next, ask ChatGPT to generate a list of main plot points for your story. This could include the major events and turning points that drive your narrative forward. For example, if you're writing a mystery novel, the plot points might include the discovery of a crime scene, the introduction of suspects, or the revelation of the true culprit. Ask ChatGPT to help you define your character arcs. This could include descriptions of your main characters' motivations, strengths, weaknesses, and how they change over the course of the story. For example, if you're writing a coming-of-age story, the character arcs might include the protagonist's journey from innocence to experience. Finally, ask ChatGPT to help you identify the themes of your story. This could include the underlying messages or lessons that you want to convey to your readers. For example, if you're writing a story about overcoming adversity, the themes might include perseverance, resilience, and inner strength. As you work through ChatGPT to develop your story outline, be sure to review and revise the results to ensure that they align with your vision for your story. Remember, the outline is a tool to help you guide your writing, but it's ultimately up to you to bring the story to life on the page. And once you have a clear understanding of the main plot points, character arcs, and themes, you can start breaking down each chapter. This is where you want to get more detailed and create a roadmap of what will happen in each chapter. With a clear story outline in place, you now have a roadmap to follow as you move on to the next step, generating the story content. Step 3. Generating the story content. To generate this story content, you need to be clear and specific in your prompt to ChatGPT. You want the story to be engaging and suitable for children, so it's important to set the right tone and style. You can ask ChatGPT to generate the content for each outline. For example, ask ChatGPT to write content for chapter 1 containing 500 words, and ChatGPT will do the writing for you. Do this for the following chapters and you're pretty much good to go. By providing ChatGPT with a detailed prompt, you'll receive a well-written story that follows the story outline and meets your specific requirements. The generated content will provide a foundation for your storybook, and you can make any necessary changes or edits to fit your vision. Once you've generated the story content for all chapters, you should have a complete story that is ready to be formatted into a real book. Step 4. Creating the illustrations. Creating illustrations for your storybook is a crucial step in making it come to life. While you can hire a professional illustrator, it can be costly, and for new storybook businesses, it may not be feasible. However, with the advancements in technology, you can now use AI art generators to create high-quality illustrations for your storybook. One of the best AI art generators available is Midjourney. With Midjourney, you can create a wide range of illustrations from simple sketches to detailed images, all with just a few clicks. To get started, you need to join the Discord server. And once you're in, you can start generating illustrations by typing /imagine in the prompt and explaining the image you actually want to create. Once you've typed /imagine in the prompt, the Midjourney bot will prompt you to explain the image you want to create. You can be as specific or as general as you like, but the more details you provide, the better the AI will be able to generate an image that matches your vision. For example, once you've explained the image you want to create, the AI will start generating the image. Depending on the complexity of the image and load of the server, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. And once the AI has generated the image, you'll be able to download by typing /download in the prompt. This will be saved in PNG format and you can use it however you like. Step 5. Putting it all together. To create a final version of your storybook, you can use free tools like Canva or Google Slides. These tools are user-friendly and provide various templates and design options to make your book visually appealing. To use Canva, sign up for a free account and choose the book option under More Templates. From there, you can choose a design that matches the style you want for your book, add illustrations and text, and adjust the layout as needed. Once you've finished your book, export it to a PDF file, which can be done in Canva and Google Slides. After you have this, it is time to publish. Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing platform is a popular option for self-publishing your book. To publish your book on Kindle, you need to create a KDP account, which is free and easy to set up. Once you have an account, you can upload your PDF file, add the details about your book, like title, author, description, etc., and set your price. Amazon will then make your book available for sale on their platform, and you can start earning money from your book sales. In addition, you can also publish your book on other platforms like Barnes & Noble, Apple Books, and Kobo. This will increase the visibility of your book and give you access to a larger audience. And there you have it, a simple, easy to follow process to launch your own storybook business. I hope this video gives you inspiration and the tools you need to start generating passive income through storybook sales. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving the video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. And if you have any other comments or questions, we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Cheers and good luck. Thank you.